Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what's inside the bag. Alright, we have cross stitches. Alright. So we have two stamped cross stitches, and these are from NewCraftDay. And the first one is a 14 count. It's 52 by 19, and it was $6.84. And let me get it out of the bag. It comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. This is a pre-printed cross stitch. If I can get it out. All right. I love those bags. They're just very durable. So we have this. Says Street Views number 6. And there's the size and how big it is. And it's just a little bitty thing of houses. So we have the dance studio, ice cream shop, bed and breakfast, and needlework shop. And then it says summer is a lovely time of carefree play and sunny days. Oh, how I wish. No, not that carefree in my little world. But yeah, I just thought this was kind of cute. And I don't know if they have any others in the series with different buildings. I got nothing. But like I said, it is pre-printed, pre-stamped. It is 244 by 76. Has a lovely picture right here. Isn't that cute? Just adorbs. You have a little picnic table with a checkered tablecloth and a picnic basket. You got little boats over here by the water. Little birds in the air, so you're going to have some back stitching in this. I ain't going to lie. Oh, yeah. But very nicely printed. Very nice and big. Printed on both sides. Let's see how many colors we have. Well, in this we have, first off, we have full stitch and we only have back stitch. That's it. And we have 51 colors in total. We have 2 in back stitch and the rest is all in full stitch. So this ought to be a piece of work. Let's see here. What colors do we have? We have no 310 black, guys. That's kind of scary. I don't know what they're using for that. Oh, nope. I lied. Number 51 is 310 black. I'm like, how do you do that with all that back stitching? All right. What else? Let's see here. No other colors that I know of. Nope. We're just going to have to take a look. No 3371, no 939, no 823. We do have 3865 for the white. So, yeah. But very nicely printed. Now, the paper pattern and the canvas do not match. So, yeah. You'll have a different set of symbols for the canvas. Look how teeny tiny it is. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Probably have to take it someplace like Hobby Lobby or Michael's to have it, framed. I'm not real sure yet. So we have some light blues. It's kind of a teal, and then there's your black and your white. But you have lots of greens and blues and browns. Kind of a bittersweet color there. And a lighter and a darker shade of that same orange. Very nice. Let's see what we have over here. It looks like so little threads, you know, because it's a 14 count. It just blows me away every time. And this is on one of the older ones, so it doesn't tell you how many strands you have of each or the DMC numbers on here. So, very nice. Light colors. Kind of a darkish charcoal gray, if you will. That might be that pewter gray that people talk about. But very nice selection of threads. There is enough there to, oh my goodness, yeah, to do that in. Oh, and 2 needles. So sorry. Yep. So that's nice. Let's see what the canvas looks like. It is serged all the way around. Nice soft fabric for the canvas. But as you can see, the numbers all run across the bottom. And the symbols are nice and big. Some of the DMC numbers might be a little to read, but you have your paper pattern. That's not going to change. It's just the symbols. And they have printed, I don't know if you can see that or not, the words that go along there, so that's nice. Very nice. All right, let's measure this puppy. It sure is tiny. But it'd be easy to do, especially it'd be nice to do in the summer too. Let's see, 52 centimeters or 20.5 inches by 7.5 inches or 19 centimeters. Actual picture size is a little over 5.5 inches, so it easily fit in a 6-inch frame that way. And this way it is 17.5 inches or 44 centimeters. So it has nice wide margins, so I have no idea how those kind of frames come. I would write down what I had, and then I'll go look at Amazon or I'll even try Michael's or one of those places. But very nicely printed. Very easy to see symbols. Sorry, I didn't mean to get it quite so close there. My bad. But very nicely done. They always do a good job. I haven't seen them screw up in a long, long time. And everything looks like it's on point. On the right square. So, we'll see. Alright, now the next one. Yeah, here we are again. So we got a nice small one. Ha ha, laugh, laugh. This one is an 11 count. It is 70 by 53. It was $16.73. Let me get it out of the bag. All right, I am back. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know, there's something written right there, and there's something right there. And this word ends in an I, so it might be Italian, but it's called Flower Street. So we have lots and lots of flowers. Look at those reds and greens. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, yeah. So the big surprise is it's a silk. Yeah. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what we got here first. We have instruction page with all the general instructions on how to start, how to finish. Yeah, they should make a separate one of those to go with the silk. Yeah, a few hints on how to use that silk thread. That would be nice. But a nice printed pattern. Whoop, let me turn it right side up. Nice and clear, easy to see. See how many 1,000 colors are in this. Oh my goodness. See any more? Okay, I'm not missing anything. This is straight cross stitch. You could put as much back stitching into it as you wanted. It is 311 by 223 with 54 colors. So let's see what colors we have. There's no 310 black. Anything else I know here? No 550 purple. We have 666 red. No 823. We do have some 939. We do have 3371, which is that dark brown. And we have 3864 and 3866, but no 3865, which is white. So they're kind of an offy white. So I don't know if the colors run a little bit different when they're in silk or not. But yeah. Let's take a look at all these gorgeous, gorgeous things. There are 2 needles right there. All right, let me get this out. Whoop, I just dropped something. Hang on. Okay, what I dropped was this little tool bag. So there's 2 needles in here, and I told you there was 2 on the canvas. So hang on, and I'm going to put these needles in this bag. All right, I got them in there, but you have now a total of 2, we got 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. So I'll just set this up over here. And then we can look at the threads. I dropped them because I wasn't sure what I had dropped. So you have 4 skeins of 4 different colors. And I'm assuming that they have, oh, for pity's sake, serialously. We'll pull 1 out. I don't want to move them too much because then they come unwound. So it says number 24. That's the way that other one came. So they'll just give you the number, not the DMC number on it. But they are gorgeous. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. We got blues and dark brown, light brown, and medium brown. Just gorgeous. Yep. It's a good thing I got a lot of that wax when I did. Let's take a look at everybody else. There is a lot of thread here. We have rusts and browns and bronze color, gold color. Look at those greens. Oh yeah. And then on this side, I'm trying. Some days. It's awfully dry in Colorado where I live. So things get, what do you call that? Static electricity. But look at that magenta-ish color. Oh, and the bright oranges. More beautiful blues. Just stunning, stunning colors. Gorgeous. And then this one, oh, it's beautiful too. Whoa, and this stuff is slick as you know what. Get it all laid out there. Look at those turquoises. Look at that peacock green. Oh my goodness. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. This is going to be stunning. Just stunning. And it's going to get its own bag because I do that with the silk because, yeah. They are what they are, but look at those beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful, stunning. All right, I'm drooling. I'm still drooling. All right, let me see if I can get it wound as hard as I can to put up there, out of the way. And then let's take a look at this canvas. Canvas is kind of stiff. It is serged all the way around. Oh my word. This is different. It's very dark. I don't know that I... Hang on. Moving the water bottle because nobody needs to have water. Very nicely printed. Now the symbols will be different on the canvas than what they are in that booklet. So they're all right here. Very nice. Serging does not go into the numbers, but it's nice and darkly printed. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh, my goodness. See if I can pull it over here. Let me see if I can get it up as high as I can. Yep, that's as high as it's going to go. But very easy to see symbols. And it doesn't look like a whole bunch of confetti. I mean, there's some here and there, but it looks like a stained glass window, if you will. It's just that dark. How weird. Well, let's see if we can attempt to measure this. Now this edge over here is kind of bent down. It's not going to hurt anything because heaven knows I'm going to have it in my hand. Let's see. It is 80.5 centimeters or 31.5 inches. It has like a 3-inch margin at this end. Let me see if I can just lay it down and do it that way. This thing's huge. Looks like 65.5 centimeters or a little over 25 3/4 inches. Actual is, if I can get a hold of it, 20 inches or 51 centimeters by approximately, just lightly laying it there, 71.5 centimeters or 28.25 inches. And the buildings are huge. So I hope that this has good detail. We'll have to see. We will have to see. But it's just oddly printed. So I hope that it all comes out in the wash and everything looks good. It does have numbers. So, very nice. Very nice indeed. We'll have to see. We'll have to start this one today. You know that, right? Yep, I'll have to get a bag all prepared, get some of my wax, which is like right here somewhere on this desk. But just absolutely gorgeous. Now, that is all from NewCraftDay. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for these two gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Just absolutely beautiful, stunning. Yeah, I love that. So hopefully that'll come out and look good, and we'll have to see. Don't know where I'd start, though. I can't begin to say. But it has some beautiful threads with it. Oh, just stunning. I'm going to put that over there. Now, NewCraftDay has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They also do custom. They have tools and crafts for all of those. I don't know how their custom comes, so you'll have to look at that. But they always have a nice wide selection. If they have any discount codes, or if I have a discount code, or if they have any specials, I will put that at the beginning of this video. Sorry, at the beginning of this video, and also in the description box below. So do check them out. They always have great sales, and now all the stores are having Chinese New Year sales. So I'm sure there are some bargains to be had. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.